Hey everyone, today we're exposing a dangerous scam that's targeting thousands of Discord users, especially kids and teenagers. It promises free Nitro, but instead it's stealing passwords, credit cards, and even hijacking accounts. Let's break it down. Meet True Fun, an alias used by the scammer. His videos claims to offer tools like free Robux and free Nitro generator. Let's take the free Discord Nitro as an example. Okay, so in the description he claims it's a Discord Nitro generator, and you need to join his server in order to access the tool. I have already joined the Discord server where he includes his files and softwares, but instead of opening the program directly, what I did is that I've analyzed it. So first it says here Nitro Gem Motor. This is the main file, okay? So let's discover what it's doing. So as soon as I put it to the any.run, it says here blank grabber has been detected. So I know this is the stealer that the scammer is using. It drops like some malicious softwares in order to steal your login and everything. So once all the information is collected, it will get sent to a Discord webhook. As you can see, this is the Discord webhook he's using, but he probably disabled it after I sent him some warning messages. And by the way, this is the grabber that the scammer is using. The features are this. So he basically he can bypass UAC and it runs on startup, disables Windows Defender. It's anti-VM but not on my VMs. And it blocks like antivirus related sites, fake errors of course, and the exe binder, like for example this program that he created, the fake Robux, he can bind the stealer to this. Okay, so yeah, it also steals Discord token, Steam, passwords from many browsers, cookies, histories, autofills, Telegram, crypto, IP, and etc. And it even captures screenshot. To confirm with that, you can see here on the VM anywhere any.run, it says here screenshot. Okay, and Discord and evasion because it bypasses UAC. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more fraud awareness content and investigation. And please, I hope YouTube takes down his YouTube channel because it's affecting many people, and I also hope Discord takes any action against him. And thank you everyone for watching. Have a great day.